Hello, hi and welcome to Maxafter's another exciting product tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you overview about this product as in how to use this template, and I'll show you how to install the extension as well. So are you guys ready? Let's start the tutorial. Well, first thing first, when you download the folder, it looks like this. It has got these files in it, and when you go to extension, you've got this Viz extension in here, right? But before that, you need to install a ZXP that you can install from aescripts.com, which is free ZXP installer. You can install it from, if you have got Mac or Windows, just install this, right? You can also search in Google for ZXP installer. And I've also included the link in the download folder as well. So once this ZXP installer is installed, depending on your system, whether it's Windows or Mac, then you download it, and after downloading it, you just double click it and install it, and that's it, right? So it's installed now. So after that, what you need to do is you just go to this download folder that you have downloaded, this one, and go to extension, and you double click this. That's it. So it will automatically open the ZXP installer that you just installed it, and then you select AE, right, and then press OK. So I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. So that's it. Then after that, straight away go to Windows and go to extension, and AE, go to the extension that says Viz Max Assets Viewer, right? And this will open. Now here, what you need to do is just go to Browse, and in Browse, then go back to the downloaded folder again. All right, so you're back in this folder and select, go to Preview, and in Preview, you need to select this preview folder, that is a preview file, that is preview.json. As you can see, it's not written JSON, but you can just select this. That's it, and press open. That's it. Now your Viz Max Assets Viewer is activated, right? You select the titles or anything that you like, and you scrub on it. You can see smaller viewer as well, and if you double click or single click, it'll open. And if you want to make it bigger, you can also make it bigger. It's up to you, So that's how you can see, right? And you have got all these files in here. Quickly, you can go through them and see which files do you like. You got military, you have got this, network. So you've got all these files in here, right? Instantly accessible, and instantly you can play and watch the animations as well. And it has got all sorts of folders in here, categories. So if you go to description, there were beautiful files in here, right? Now, how are you going to use it? If I go to titles, and let's say this is the title that you want to import, right? So best is you first create a composition. Go to composition, new composition, 1920 by 1080. Right, time and everything, and I'm going to call it title, right? Press OK. So this has to be selected. Now once this is selected, you go and add to project, right? Select this one or anything, just add to project. Now you need to wait, right? Wait for a good 1 or 2 minutes, 1 minute probably, yeah, depending on your machine, right? So I'm waiting because the file is big, right? So that's why it takes time to open. So don't panic. Just let it open. As you can see, this is grayed out, right? Wait for the file so that the grayed out ends, right? Then it means it has selected, right? It says that please select the target composition where you want to add. I press OK, yeah. And this was the target title. And let's go and add it. So basically it has added, right? And let's go, and for a while it's not showing anything because it's still loading, right? because the project is huge, so you need to still wait, right? And it will show up anyway. So it's taking time, let it wait. This happens only during the first time. After that, it's fast, right? Because this is doing its thing, it's loading up. So now it's loaded. So now it's loaded, and now everything is fast and quick, right? So if you go, for example, if I go and add this one, so instantly it shows. For the first few minutes, it takes some time, right? So don't panic and let it do its work, and then that's it. So now you can keep on adding or deleting. It's up to you what you want to do, right? So this is how you do it. Now the next thing is how you want to change the colors. For that, you go to, this is the Maxafter Elements folder. In here, go to Source. This is the full project actually, right? And this is the viewer. And you can straight away go to this project and go to Final and Main Elements, right? This is the whole folders in here. For example, this is the titles folder. It has got all the titles, but here, you know, you go through them one by one and watch them. So which is a little bit, takes longer time. But anyways, the best is, I think, to go through this viewer, right? And so this is the final, and let's go to edit. In edit, go to global color controller, right? Let me just go and select this one and go to global color controller, and this is a dummy file in there. So if you press this color A, it shows up here, right? Now what you do is just lock it. Once it's locked, then you just go back to your project file, and from there we'll go to the title, right? And now what we'll do here is just go to this global and change the colors from here, right? So this is how it changed the colors, right? It has got all the colors which I use in other compositions, but right now these are the colors that I have changed, right? Now the text colors, of course, are not changed because you need to go inside the COM. All you need to do is just double click. It will take you to the original COM, and then you go to, for example, this is the color for 2078. It says the TTT here, right? It means text. So you just go here in After Effects and you can change the colors from here. Right, this is characters. If it's not open, go to Windows, and in Windows you have got characters here somewhere. There it is. Right, so from here you can change color, you can change fonts, bold, whatever you want to do, right? You can do it from here. And if you want to change this one, so this is multicolored, so that's why it's showing a question mark sign. So what you need to do is press this text tool here and scrub on top of this multicolor, for example, white color. So now it shows the color, right? And let's say you want to change the color to red, and then you can change the color to any color that you like, right? That's how. Or you can just change the full color. Select the layer only, Cyberpunk, it's written, right? And just change the color to any color that you like, right? And then you want to change the text, right? Double click on it and start typing, right? That's how you change color. And similarly here, double click on it and 2077, right? That's how you change colors. So very simple and easy, and you can see the animation, right? So this is how you change colors straight away, right? And then you go back to project, and similarly, for example, if you go to, for example, it has got profiles as well, right? In profiles, this is, for example, one profile. Let me just add a new composition and name it profile, right? Okay, and while it's selected, let me import this, right? So it's imported. You can see it says here your video, your photo video 02 here. So now what you're going to do, again, very easy, not very difficult. Go to Maxafter Elements, edit photos. Edit photos. It very clearly says number 2, 02. This is 02, right? Double click in 02. It will take you to this comp. Go to your go to file, import file, and let's say if I bring this guy here, and all I want to do is drag this guy here and put it on top of placeholder, or delete the placeholder. It's up to you, right? Just put it there and make sure that your guy is here somewhere in the middle. Press S on your keyboard and reduce the size and make sure that it's in the middle, you know, so it's in here somewhere. Right now, if you go to profile, the profile has been changed, right? And how you're going to change the text? Very simple. Go to the core of profile by double clicking from here, or you can also go from here. For example, go to final, and it says profile. Go to profile, profile, number 11, and here is number 11. From here you can go, or easy way is you can go to profile and double click this layer. It'll take you there, right? There, profile text. This is the text that you can keep typing and changing. This is something that you can write, right? This is how you change your text. So pretty simple, right? So this is how you change the text. This is how you install the installer, and you can do lots of things here. And plus you have got assets army. This is the main elements here with all the categories here, which that you can see and match from here. See, you can see camera recorders. If you see camera recorders, coder, description box, equalizer, equalizers, you know, everything is in here, right? Everything is in here. And you can see loading bars. You can see the rest of the loading bars here, you know, beautiful loading bars. Right, so we have also got this glitch transitions here as well. So how we are going to use that? Right, for that, let's go and open a new comp and name it a glitch, right? And press OK. And if you, let's say, if I select this one, so basically it has imported this file here, right? So nothing is happening right now. So what we can do is, I've got these two videos here. I'm going to put here, this one, and this one, right? What I'm going to do is go to edit and split layer, right? So basically this video stops here and the new one comes in. So what I'm going to do is basically I'll put this transition right in the middle here, and if right now nothing is happening, right? Nothing is happening because we need to turn on the collapse transformation. Toggle switches, turn it on, and this is the collapse transformation. Now you can see it's working. So let's see how it looks. So it's interacting, right? See? So you can add more glitches if you like. Let's say if you want to add this one, you will also add on top of this, and you can delete this one, but don't forget to turn on the collapse transformation. See how this one looks. That's how it looks. Right? Similarly, you can delete it and go to final, and from here, if you go to glitch, you've got glitch transition here, VHS1, drag and drop on top. It shows a marker. From here, if you go, it shows a marker as well. So the marker has to be right in the middle of where you want to edit your video as well, right? But turn on the collapse transformation. Right, so this is for the video. You can delete the video and let's say you want to add something else from the WizMax, which is the titles. For example, I've got these two titles here. Add this one, and let me add this one. So two of them, right? You need to select this glitch comp here so that we can bring in the second title as well. So now we've got two titles, right, top of each other, and we need to, let's say I want this one to come in here somewhere, right? But you need to delete this one, chop this one, edit and split layer. It depends where you want to edit it, right? It's all up to you. And let's see how it looks. Right? See, let me just bring it from here somewhere because I don't want the animation bit. Yeah. So this is how it works, right? So you can, delete, and you can add more and more layers on top of each other. It's up to you, Right now you've got 3 of them, and you can increase or decrease size, put them side by side like that, Pretty simple, right? Yeah, so that's how you do the glitch thing as well. So it's pretty simple. If it's up to you if you want to use the WizMax assets viewer or not. It's up to you. It's just a convenience method of using it, right? Or you can go straight to this folder here and use it from here, right? So this is how you change the text colors and install the WizMax. Also go to others, and you have got asset army. Basic elements are all, for example, brackets. You can see the brackets here, right? And then you have other targets. These are basic elements that you can reuse them, and create other things that you like, right? So this is how you use this template. Pretty straightforward and simple, right? I'm going to delete it. So this is what you left with. This is basically the main project that has got everything in it. This is the final. This is the edit where you find colors, color editing, and text, and photo and videos, right? And this is the main final, main categories in here, right? So pretty simple. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, I'm going to tell you that once you close WizMax and then you go to Windows and open it again, then again you need to locate that file which was inside, which was this one, preview, right? Press OK. So it's loaded again, right? So this is how simple it is, pretty straightforward. So if you have any problems, please do let me know. In case the ZXP is not there, you can always Google to find out the ZXP installer, this third-party installer. So again, in very simple steps, install ZXP installer, double-click and install it into your computer. That's it. And go to this extension folder and double-click this, and it will do its thing. And then go to Windows and go to Extension and WizMax. And from here, locate this. Simple, right? Very simple. So that's how you're going to do it. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And once again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Do email me and I can help you out, right? Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.